Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Alex and Emma. I'm Alex, and today we're talking about something every English learner faces, translating in your head while speaking English.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Yes, this is such a common problem. Many learners think in their own language first, then try to translate every sentence into English. That's why they speak slowly or forget words.
Exactly. But don't worry, today we'll show you how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Once you do that, your speaking will sound more natural and confident.
Let's start with why we translate in our head. When we begin learning English, we connect everything to our native language. For example, we learn pani means water, so our brain says pani to water. That's normal in the beginning.
Right, but fluent speakers don't do that. They just feel the meaning of water. They don't translate in their mind first. So our goal is to train the brain to think in English directly.
Let's talk about how to do that. First, start with small daily words. Look around your room and name things in English, like chair, table, window, book, fan. You can even put sticky notes on things to remind yourself of English words.
Good idea. Next, start thinking in English using short, simple thoughts. When you wake up, say in your mind, I'm sleepy. I need water. Where's my phone? These small thoughts help your brain get used to English thinking.
Don't worry about grammar or mistakes. Just think in English. It's not about perfection, it's about practice.
Another tip, listen to English every day. Watch videos, listen to podcasts or songs. Try not to translate everything in your head. Just listen and feel the meaning.
Exactly. When you listen a lot, your brain starts to recognize patterns naturally. That's how children learn their first language, by listening, not by translating.
Here's another great idea. Talk to yourself in English. It might sound funny, but it really works. You can say things like, "Hi, how are you?" or "I'm cooking dinner." No pressure, no fear. Just practice.
And use English in real life as much as possible. Write your shopping list in English. Search Google in English. Or text your friends with small English phrases. The more you use it, the faster you'll think directly in English.
Let's do a quick practice. I'll say a sentence in your language and you say it in English. मैं थोड़ा busy हूँ. I'm a bit busy. मुझे भूख लगी है. I'm hungry. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It feels great. See? That's how you train your brain.
That's right. Remember, fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about thinking naturally in English. Making mistakes is okay. Just keep practicing every day.
Well, that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed this, make sure to follow Learn English with Mr. Alex and Emma for more fun English lessons.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving your English. You're doing great.
Before we wrap up, let's go a little deeper into how to train your brain to think in English faster. Because the truth is, the more English you put into your daily life, the less you'll translate in your head.
That's right, Alex. Think of your brain like a muscle. If you use English every day, that English muscle becomes stronger. But if you use it only once a week, it stays weak. So daily practice, even for 10 minutes, makes a big difference.
Exactly. You don't need to study for hours. Just small things help, like describing what you're doing in English. For example, say to yourself, I'm making tea. I'm cleaning my room. I'm getting ready for work. These short sentences are powerful because they connect English to real life.
Yes, and that's the secret. Connect English with your daily routine. When you do that, you stop thinking, how do I say this in my language? Instead, you start thinking directly in English.
Another great tip, read simple English stories or articles out loud. When you read and hear yourself, your brain gets used to English rhythm and structure. It's like giving your brain a sound memory of English.
Oh, I love that one. And you can even repeat lines from movies or short videos. Listen to a line, pause, and repeat it in the same way. That helps you think faster and sound more natural.
Yes, it's called shadowing, repeating what you hear as closely as possible. If you do this daily, you'll soon notice that you stop translating and start responding in English naturally.
And remember, it's not just about grammar or big words. It's about comfort, feeling confident and relaxed when you speak. Even simple sentences are great if they come out easily.
Well said, Emma. So, for everyone listening, your challenge this week is to spend at least 15 minutes a day thinking and speaking only in English. No translation, no pressure, just natural practice.
That's your English time. During those 15 minutes, do everything in English. Talk, think, plan, or even write your thoughts. You'll be surprised how fast your brain starts to adjust.
And don't forget to have fun with it. Listen to your favorite English songs, watch a show without subtitles, or talk to your friends in short English chats.
The more you enjoy the process, the faster you'll improve. Learning English shouldn't feel like homework. It should feel like part of your daily life.
Exactly. And one last thing, be proud of your progress. Even if you only speak a few sentences today, that's a big step forward. Fluency doesn't come overnight, but every small effort counts.
That's so true, Alex. You're already improving just by listening to this podcast. So keep going, stay confident, and keep thinking in English.
All right, that's all for today's episode. We hope these tips help you stop translating and start speaking naturally.
And if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow Learn English with Mr. Alex and Emma for more helpful and easy English lessons.
And remember, speak every day, think in English, and never be afraid to make mistakes.
See you next time.